one of the things you're going to find after you've cut your pieces off with the chop saw is that they're probably going to be kind of rough, and you're going to need to touch them up on the grinder or with a hand file. I'm going to show you a little bit of each of this. And this is a grinder. It's right next to the chop saw. And here we are up close to it. The switch is over here. It's a bottle of water. You might want to have to wash down a little bit, but now I think you can see the pieces have some wire edges on it, and we need to take those off. So we're going to use the grinder. Only grind steel. Do not do aluminum. You'll see there's a few little flakes of aluminum in here because somebody who didn't pay attention put aluminum on here, and the aluminum clogs up, and it could cause the wheel to shatter. So if that happens, that'll be fun. Make a great video. Couple things about the grinder though. You always want to have the piece on the tool rest, and it needs to be less than 1/8 or less inches in between there. Well, this is 1/8 thick material, and it won't go in, so I know that it's 1/8. I'll be checking on it, and you'll see that it's what it is. Until you're proficient at it, you don't want to go freehand with this, because these sharp edges will also cut you and go right through the leather of these gloves. These things may be hot right after you get rid of them or get them off the saw, but what you want to do is go in and grind the pieces off. You see that I'm laying it down on the tool rest, going around, getting the outside parts at least. Flip it the other way to get the other outside part. The inside part we're going to deal with the file. So, lay it flat. Grind off the outside edges. You may notice that I'm trying to move up and down the entire width of the grinder. That's so that we don't end up just grinding a space right in the middle. And as I said, if it gets kind of hot, we've got these bottles of water. They're not fresh, they've been just refilled. You can splash a little water onto your part. It'll evaporate very quickly. What we can do, if we're doing it a lot, is we could fill in this little bucket right here and fill it with water, and you dip it in there. It's kind of a catch-22 in terms of using the water. The water boils off, so now you have boiling water on there, just as hard to deal with as hot steel. Okay, that's the grinding part.